Hello there, folks. Today, we're going to take a virtual trip to Hopewell, New Brunswick, and learn about some of the unique experiences it has to offer. Hopewell is a charming little town nestled in the heart of New Brunswick, Canada. It's a place where history, culture, and natural beauty come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. One of the must-visit attractions in Hopewell is the Hopewell Rocks, also known as the Flower Pot Rocks. These natural rock formations are a result of the Bay of Fundy's extreme tides, and they're a truly awe-inspiring sight to behold. Another great spot to visit is the Hopewell Rocks Provincial Park. Here, you can hike, picnic, and even kayak in the Bay of Fundy. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, so keep your eyes peeled for some interesting sightings. If you're a history buff, you'll love exploring the Hopewell Rocks Interpretation Center. It's a great place to learn about the area's rich history and the fascinating story of the Bay of Fundy's tides. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Hopewell, New Brunswick. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this beautiful town and that it's inspired you to plan your own visit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, safe travels.
依旧绽放，做人生梦在微笑。